whatever symptom, emotion, or condition that you experience mentally, it's truly your teacher. It's not meant to hurt you, even though it's painful. It's not meant to make you have this horrible life experience. It's really here to teach you something. It's really here to show you lessons. And sometimes lessons are challenging. And so that last part, when I would say, for example, for me, bipolar is my teacher. Bipolar has taught me so much, so much, which is one of the reasons why I'm even doing this masterclass. And also bipolar is a great indicator for me as to where I am currently. And so I want you to start thinking that way about any symptoms or emotions or conditions that you're experiencing, that they're really here to be a teacher. And that you have to be able to be willing to be the student and listen and learn the lesson.